Hey everyone, welcome back to Acid Jelly, where we break down tech, automation, and back-end development in a way that just makes sense. I'm kicking off a brand new series that blends two Python powerhouses, Selenium and Django. Whether you're building slick web apps or automating the boring stuff, this playlist is made for you. Here's what you can expect from this series. Set up a full Django project from scratch. Write end-to-end tests using Selenium. Automate login flows, form submissions, and data scraping. Schedule your automation tasks right from Django. If you're a DOS Python beginner looking to level up. QA tester wanting to automate web flows. Django dev. Curious about browser automation. This series will get you up and running fast. So, if you're into building smart, automated systems, or just love seeing browsers do stuff on their own, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and follow along with this playlist here on Acid Jelly. Let's get into the code. Episode 1 is right around the corner, and we're starting with project setup and your first test. Let's go.